everybody, it's Ginny here from Fine & Country on Exmoor, and welcome to this truly remarkable home known as Barkham. The property is situated within the Exmoor National Park and has endless possibilities, so please follow me to find out more. The main farmhouse offers very flexible accommodation with 6 bedrooms, very good sized reception rooms, as well as beautiful character features throughout. The property has the added benefit of 3 self-contained cottages, as well as this fantastic studio space, which has held many musical concerts. The property is situated within approximately 12 acres of gardens and grounds, has ample parking and good strong road links. So if you would like to know more information, then please do not hesitate to contact us, as of course we would be delighted to hear from you.